This page shows all the available rooms and the rooms that are booked in the hotel. For maintenance block and front office block, click on to status. List of all the rooms is shown in the room start page. The maintenance block is mentioned as M block and front office block is mentioned as FO block. Now select a room for M block and enter a reason. Now click on to update. Status is refreshed successfully. Click escape to close the form. The color code of the room is changed to M block. Click on to status. Now select a room for FO block and enter a reason. Click on to update. Status is refreshed successfully. Click escape to close the form. The color code of the room is changed to FO block. Now click the M block room and select clear room. Enter a reason. Select unblock. M block cleared successfully. Now click the FO block room and select clear room. Enter a reason. Select unblock. FO block cleared successfully. The color code of both M block and FO block room are changed to dirty room. Click on to dirty room and select clear room. Enter a reason and select clear dirty room. The dirty room is cleared successfully. Now repeat the process for the other room. The color code of both the rooms are changed to vacant. The maintenance block and front office block is done successfully. Thank you.